How much will home prices keep going down? Let's take a look at what we know so far. In March of 2020, COVID was rampant and starting to affect the housing market a little bit. April of 2020 saw a little dip in the median sales price. We went from $339,000 in March to $337,500 in April. Then from May on, the home values just shot up until they reached a high of $472,830, and that was in April of 2022. From there, they have reached a current low of $425,000 as of last month, November. So there has been a 40.09% median gain from April of 2020 to April of 2022. And then from April of 2022 to now, prices have dropped by a median of 10%. Now, don't forget about inflation. Even if home prices drop, they would likely still keep their inflation value, the value that they've gained from inflation for the past 2 years. Now, according to usinflationcalculator.com, we had 7.7% inflation for 2022 and 8.2% for 2021. If we price in these 2 years of inflation, that's 15.9% of inflation appreciation for homes in Colorado Springs. So after taking out the inflation, we're left with 24.19% median equity value that homes still have since April 2020. And after taking out the 10% drop in home prices so far, we are left with 14.19% of appreciation of gain before the value of homes goes back down to what the prices were at April of 2020. And again, that was $337,500. To put it another way, out of all the value that homes have gained since April 2020 to April 2022, the market has eaten back the values to what they were in May and June of 2021. This is what you're going to want to plan for, whether you're looking to buy or sell a home, is that the housing market in Colorado Springs is currently telling us that home prices have pulled back a year and a half's worth of value so far. So what does next year look like? Typically, the winter months are slow, and in the spring, we start to see more action again. With Fed rate hikes planned and the continuing bleak economic and political outlook, I don't anticipate more buyers entering the market right now. Perhaps in the summertime, if the economy is good, then perhaps rates will go down, but if buyer demand continues to be this slow, I don't see how the home values can increase.